Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video I am going to show you how to replace the starter motor of Dodge Caravan 2016. This is the Dodge Caravan 2016. These are the tools that I am going to use. I have the socket wrench and the combination wrench set. I set up already the jack stand before I start the job. We need to remove the battery terminal, okay? So you're gonna use 10 millimeter. Now, the starter motor is right there underneath here. But we need to remove this cross member. We have size 18 in here. So, right now, I have 5/8. Okay, so I have a space now. I have a view. I can remove these 2 bolts over there. Okay, and then we're ready. Okay, so we need to remove this bracket also on the support. So I need to remove this whole bracket from the bracket. But let me see. As soon as I remove this and give me enough space to remove the starter motor. Take it off. Engine mount. Okay. Let's unplug this. Alright. And then we have I think this is not the right one. That's correct. Alright. Okay. So I just take it up already the starter motor. Okay, the cable, okay, from your battery connected to here. Okay, this is the P terminal. Okay, so the power goes in here, and then we have the solenoid switch, and this is connected to your ignition key. Okay, and then this one over here. Okay, 2 bolts only in here, and then this one is size 15. Okay, now what we're gonna do is to make it sure that this one is the same. Okay, all right, so this is the new one. They get it through Car Quest. Okay, so let's compare this. Okay, first I'm going to check the difference between the two. So they're all the same, look like the same, And then this is important right here, and the bolt in here. Pretty much they'll do, yeah, this is the same. So we're good. Okay, so one of the symptoms before you replace the starter motor is when you're cranking, you will hear only the solenoid click and then click. That's it. You know, this one is not spinning. So what happened here is when the voltage go in here, this one create magnet and it will move the motor. This shafting over here is moving in and out. Okay, this one right here, look. When you put power in here, the plunger inside of the solenoid, it will push this one forward. So this one's gonna go to your flywheel. Okay, see that? So the flywheel is here, have a gear, so it will spin. No, it's moving forward is because the solenoid is okay. In the long run, okay, the carbon brush is getting shorter. It's because of those carbon brush is shorter, the tension of the spring is not enough to push so that the carbon brush is connected inside. So what happened is because of it's short already, it's not giving you a good tension and there's a carbon inside. That's why this one malfunction. Just replace a new one. Then give you warranty. Pretty much that's it. That's how it works. Okay, again I will repeat, this one has a voltage, okay, coming from the battery, is waiting to spin this. When you turn on, you are providing electricity from this point, okay, and then the electricity from this point, it will produce magnet, will move. So when this one move forward, it connect also the voltage from here to the motor, okay, through the carbon brush at the back. Okay, so what happened to this one is not spinning anymore. I can hear this, but this one is moving forward, but it's not spinning. Okay, I checked the voltage, there's a voltage coming in here. This one is not spinning. So what I did to confirm that the carbon brush is the problem, I just used the hammer and then, you know, bang it at the back, like, you know, just to tap. I'll do it like this. And what happened if you do that, the spring tension, it will increase. Whatever blocking to the carbon brush at the back, it will push in. So now the contact between the armature inside and the carbon brush is connected so that, you know, it will spin. Okay, so now that's what happened to this one. That's why, you know, I fixed this one, I bang it and it started, but I know it's gonna come back again because this one has been a while, 2016, and then the carbon brush in here is not good anymore. Okay, it's short for sure. Now get a new one, we don't have problem. Okay, so I'm gonna put this one now in. All right, first I am going to remove this. Okay, right, so I'm going to plug this thing in and then connect it. Okay. Try this in first. Okay. All the screws, all the bolt is in. More space, more space, more space. Oh shit. Okay. I am going to put back this bracket. And then that's it. So thank you for watching. See you on my next video.